and ceilings of a room are plastered. They are already plastered. The length, breadth and height of the room are given already. Find the costing of the 8 per meter. So, from where I should start? We have the dimensions of the room, right? When we have the dimensions, then we can easily find out the area. And area will be what? Walls plus ceiling, right? Area will be walls plus ceiling. See what I am trying to say you in uh, question number 65, right? See, I know that plaster will be done in the entire part, right? So total plaster area. Most of the sailboats have two sails, the jib and the mainsail. Assume that the sails are triangles. If the total area of each sail of the sailboats to nearest length. Now first, second, third, they have three types of sailboats and the parts are given. So we have to find the total area of everything. Okay, let's all, we know the triangle area is what? Half base into altitudes, right? So we will accordingly, we will find the area. Okay, so question number 66, right? So areas of the sail will be areas of the triangle, right? So first one is that jib sail. Jib sail part, I will say the base is equal to your 20 meter and height is equal to your how much? 22.2 meter. So the jib sail area will be your half base into altitude 22.2. So it will be 10. So I can say it is 222 meter square, right? Now there is mainsail also. Mainsail. So mainsail will be what? Having base is equal to your 16.8 meter and height is equal to your how much? 22 meter. So area of the mainsail will be what? Half base 16.8 into height 22, right? So it will be 11. What I will get? I am getting 184.8 meter square. So total area will be what? Total area will be your jet sail plus mainsail. So I can write it as 222 plus 184.8. So I am getting how much? 406.8 meter square. Okay, first one will be your like this way. Okay, now see beta what they are saying about the second part. Everything is triangle. Okay, so you all have to do like this way. Question number 66, second part. So second part also jit sail. See this one and this one, right? So I will say that jit sail. So jit sail base will be your 8.6 meter and height will be your 10.9 meter. Okay, so area will be what? Area will be half 8.6 into 10.9. So it will be 4.3. So I can say that 46.87 meters square. Now for mainsail will your base will be 19.5 meter and height will be your 23.9 meter. So area will be half into 19.5 into 23.9, right? So it will be your 233.0302 meter square. So total area will be what? Adding these two, so I will get 46.87 plus 233.02. So your answer will be 279.9 meter square. Okay, this is for your second part. Now solving for third part. Solving for your third part, jet sail will have base is equal to your 3 meter and height will be your 8.9 meter. So your area will be 1 upon 2 3 into 8.9. So you are getting 13.35 meter square. For mainsail base is equal to your 12.4 meter and height is your how much? 16.8 meters, right? This one, the entire height. Okay, so I can say area will be what? Half 12.4 into 16.8. So I can say 6.2 or I can say 104.16 meters square. Okay, so total area will be adding these two, 13.35 plus 104.16 is equal to 117.5 meters square. These are the very good questions. So any one of the three diagram may come. Okay, so make star also. See, question number 67, what they are saying that the area of a trapezium with equal non-parallel sides is 168 meter square. Okay, now then what they are saying, if the length of the parallel sides are 36 meter and 20 meter, find the length of the non-parallel side. Okay, parallel sides length are given and non-parallel side length they are asking. Question number 67. Suppose this is a trapezium and in trapezium non-parallel sides your parallel sides 36 and 20 and 36. Okay, find the length of the non-parallel sides. So first I will say the area of the trapezium is your given that 168 meter square and parallel sides are what? 36 and 20. 36 meter and 20 meter. Okay, now if I say that non-parallel side equal to one non-parallel side is equal to x, let the one non parallel side here be x. Okay, so what I will get, then I will put it on the formula. Formula of the area, that is 1 by 2 a plus b into h. Okay, and what I am getting, beta ji, I am getting 1 by 2 into 36 plus 20 into h equal to 168, because it is given. Or I can say that 168 is equal to your 28h. This implies that h is equal to how much? 6 meter. Okay, now next, right angle at the one side. I can say this is a right angle at the one side. Hmm? So because the height is how much? 6. Hmm. I know that other side is, if this one is your 20, this one is something, and this one I just right now told x. So this one will be equal to this one 20. So 36 minus 20, it will be 16. You understood? I am putting perpendicular over here, and I know that this entire one is 36 and both are equal. These heights will be equal. So what I will do? I will do as 36 minus 20 is equal to 16 meter. Okay. So applying my Pythagoras theorem now. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So what I will get for x value? X will be your 8 square plus 6 square under root. So it will be 64 plus 36 under root. So it will be your 100 under root for 10 meter. So this non-parallel side is your 10 meter. Okay. This is a combined figure of many sides. Okay. And every sides, it is divided into several things. See, this one is your rectangle. This one is your some trapezium. This one is also triangle, trapezium, triangle, triangle. Okay. So I will try to manage all these things. How can I calculate? See, I know the area of the rectangle. What is? I know the area of the trapezium. I know the triangle because this is also a right angle triangle. So I can find the value of EF also. This is also your trapezium. This is also your right angle triangle. Okay. So we will solve one by one everything. Okay. Now see how can I solve it. And this is also an important type of question. It may come in your exam. Okay. So question number 76 first. So see, first I will solve the rectangle. Rectangle, your EHID. EHID. So in that, width is equal to your 100. Height is equal to your 80 plus 80 is equal to 160. So area is what? Width into height. So it will be 100 into 160. So I will get 16,000. Next, this is your area 1. Next is your rectangle. Rectangle IJAC. IJAC. Okay. So vertical is your 80. That is your IJ is equal to vertical height, or I can say it is 80. And IC is your horizontal. IC is your horizontal. So its value is your 100, right? So I can say the rectangle as IJAC, and area 2 will be then 100 into 80. So it becomes 8,000. Okay, it becomes 8,000. Next is your small rectangle. Okay, and J K A. Okay, so I will say that rectangle JK. So height, in that, height is equal to 40 and width is equal to 60. So area 3 will be yours 60 into 40. And it is equal to 2400. Right. Next I have a bottom triangle. Bottom triangle, and it is KAG. So KA is your vertical length. In that, KA is your vertical and the value is your 60, in which AG is your horizontal. So its value is yours 160. So I know that area 4 will be what? Half into 160 into 60, base into height. So it becomes 4800. Okay. Now see, in the left hand side I have a slanted quadrilateral. So in left I have slanted quadrilateral. Okay. And this quadrilateral name is FEHIJG. Now quadrilateral have small top at the right angle triangle. This quadrilateral have a right up triangle, that is FEH, and of EH, your EH is equal to 80 and FH is equal to your how much? 40. So your area will be half 80 into 40. So I am getting it as value 1600. Next is this slanted area also have a trapezium, and this is HIJG. So vertical H will be your 80 plus 40, that is 120, and top side is approximately 0. So and bottom side is your how much? 160. Okay, so it is a right trapezium, so area will be what? area will be your half 0 plus 160 into 120. So it becomes how much? 9600. 9600. So finally I get out everything. Now I find out every parts of this required. So finally I will calculate the total area. So total area, I'm writing some other color so that it will be. So total area will be how much? I will add everything. So it will be 16,000 plus 8,000, 8,000 plus 2,400 plus 4,800 plus 1,600 plus 9,600. So everything I will add up. I'm getting how much? It will be 4 and 2 then 4. Okay, meter square. Clear? This figure value. Okay. First one I will say that triangle DFC. Okay, so in this a base is what? Base is your FC and it is equal to 100. Height is what? Height is your DF and equal to 100. So my area 1 will be what? Half base into height, so 100 into 100. So I am getting how much? 5,000. Okay, next is your rectangle and the rectangle is what? FCBG. Okay, FCB H. Okay, so you will do well according to that only. This is your trapezium. So we have two parallel sides and two non-parallel sides, right? Is this okay? So you will, this is not rectangle, sorry, this is a trapezium. So you will, again I have a triangle. Again I have a triangle, and this triangle have its right angle triangle. So this one will be a height and this one will be the base. Now see, this one is also a triangle, then this one is a height, this one is the base. Again this one is a triangle, this one is the height and this one is the base. So how can you calculate this height? It will be 80 plus 100. So entire height will be 180. And base will be your 120. So if I say that triangle DGE, half base is 120 and height will be your 100 plus 80, so it is 180. So it will become 12 into 18, 0. Right? This is your another. Then again you have this one, height is this, base is this, again this one height is this, and base will be your 80, right? In triangle AGE, your base will be what? Half base is 50 plus 30, so it will be 80 into 120. So it will be 40 into 120. Okay, so again you will add everything and then you will solve. Okay, parallel sides. Okay, if I name them A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, so I will name one trapezium and I am saying that it is as FEDC, C, D, E, F. Okay, so in this parallel sides are what? CD and FE are the parallel sides. So 8 and how much? 16, right? 8 plus 16. This part is 4 centimeters, so I will minus 16 minus 4 is 12. So half parallel side is 8 plus 16 minus 4. How much? 12 into height. Height will be how much? This one, that is 3. So what will be the answer? Half 820 into 3, that is 10. So it will be 30. Now next trapezium is this ABFG trapezium. So your area will be what? Half. Okay, now base is this entire part and entire part is 12 and height is what? 4. So it will be 4. 6 4 is 24 centimeters square. So total area will be how much? 30 plus 24 is equal to 4 and 5, 54 centimeters square. Is this okay? You understood what I have done? I am saying that this is a circle. Okay, in that these are the triangles. Now triangle dimension, height and base is given, so I have taken out 1, then I have taken out 4. Then again square is the a square, so I have taken out 147. Now total area is 149 plus 98, 147. Now I am taking out this area circle. So area circle 31 into 21 upon 2. What is the value? Okay, this one. Why? Because I minus the circle from this, so I get the shaded region value. Fine. Is this okay? Now see the next question. See, this one is a different kind of figure in question number 84. What they have given. See, if I extend these parts now, these parts. Suppose first I will break this. So this one is a semicircle. Then I will join this here. What I will get? I have a rectangle. Then what I will do? I will join this also. Then again I have a rectangle. And this one is the half part of the circle. Okay. So this entire figure I can say that this is rectangle, this is rectangle, this one is this entire square, right? So I have a one quarter circle plus one semicircle plus one square, right? So let us find the area. First this area. If I assume that the radius is this and it will be 1/4, right? It will be 1/4 because if I double then it is a semicircle and then semicircle is double then it will be a 4 here. So how much? It is will be 4. So pi r square divided by 1 4. So r is your 6. So 1 upon 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is 6 square, right? So it will be 36. 6 6 are 36. So 36 will be counted 4 times and 9 times, right? So what we will have, 22 into 9 by 7. Now see this semicircle. It will be half pi r square. So half times into 22 upon 7 into r will be what? R will be your 6 only. So 6 square is 36. So it will be 1 and 8, right? 1 and 8. So 22 into 18 divided by 7. Next is square. So area of square is a square. A is your 12. So area will be 12 square. 12 square is 144, right? So you have to add up all these things. Now this one will be 28.285. Next is your 180. So it will be 56.571 and 144. 144. Add up all these things. Get approximately 288 centimeter square. Okay. Is this okay? Now see in the question number, find the area of the painted in the following block with a cylindrical hole. The hole is cylindrical. Given that the length is 15 centimeter, width is itna, height is itna, and the radius of the hole is this. So this is a kind of question, okay, where the hole is cylindrical kind. Okay, so you have to analyze this one entirely, then you will solve it. Okay, so let's solve this question. Question number 100. Length, breadth, and height and everything is given. Cylindrical hole radius is given. So cylinder have the same height. Okay, the height of the cylindrical hole is the same as that of the block. Keep in mind. So first we must paint all the outer face of the cuboid plus inner curved surface of the cylindrical hole minus the circular top. So what we will paint, first I will write, we will paint is equal to, I will all outer surface of cuboid, okay, plus inner curved surface of cylindrical hole. But we will won't do the upper opening, so minus the circular top opening. Okay, is this okay? Next what we will do, this is the entire thing I have to calculate. This is the entire thing I have to calculate. So I will calculate one by one. First I will calculate the surface area of the cuboid. So what it will be, all the 6 faces. So I will say twice of LW plus LH plus WH. So it will be how much? This part comes 15 into 12. 15 into 12 is equal to your 180. This part will come 15 into 20. 20, that is your 300. And this part will come 15 into 20. 240. Okay. So all these will be total, so then my area will be 2 into 720, or I can say 1440 centimeter square. Next I will come the missing area due to hole on the top. So missing area as hole on top. It will be how much? Pi r square. So pi into 2.8 square. So it will be 22 upon 7 into 7.84. So approximately I am getting 24.64 centimeter square. This is the minus part. Okay. Next what I will do, I will the painted area, inner curved surface area of the hole. So inner curved surface area of hole. What it will be? 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH because it is a cylinder. So it will be how much? 2 into 22 upon 7 pi r. R is your 2.8 and H is your 22. So it becomes how much? It becomes 56 into 22. 56 into 22 by 7, or approximately 176 centimeters square. Okay. So final area to be painted. I am changing the color so that you will understand. Final area, okay, to be painted. What it will be? Adding everything and one subtraction. 1140 minus 24.64 plus 176. What it becomes? 159 1.36 centimeter square. Okay. See, question number 101, what they are saying, a truck carrying 7.8 meter cube concrete arrives at a job site. A platform of width this, height this is being constructed at the site. Find the length of the platform constructed from the amount of the concrete in the truck. Means they have given the amount of the concrete. That means they are directly saying that I have given the volume. Okay, when I am giving the volume, you have to find out the dimensions, right? Since length, breadth and height they are asking and some of the parts are given, so I am just assuming it is a cuboid. Okay, so I will say that for question number 101. Hmm. What is that? Truck concrete volume. Truck concrete amount is what? 7.8 meter cube. Okay. Dimensions of the platform. Platform dimensions are what? Width is equal to your 5 meter. Height is equal to your 2 meter. Suppose the length what we want to calculate is L meter. Okay. So I can say that volume of the platform will be what? Length into width into height. Length into width into height. So I can say that it is L into 5 into 2, that is 10L. But this volume have to be equal to the concrete volume. So I can say that 7.8 is equal to 10 length. So by this, L is equal to what? 7.8 divided by 10, or I can say 0.78 meter. Okay, the length of the platform will be 7.8 meter. Now see next question. A hollow garden roller of 42 centimeter diameter and length itna centimeter is made to cast iron 2 centimeter thick. Okay, find the volume of the iron used. Okay, now they are asking about the volume of the iron used. How can I start it? Hmm? How can I start it? See, a hollow garden roller of 42 centimeter diameter and length itna made to cast iron itna thick. So cast iron itna thick diya hua hai, and the dimensions of the roller is also given. Find the volume of the iron used for to make the roller. Now first I will write the dimensions and all that. So I will say that outside diameter is equal to your 42 centimeter. So the radius will be how much? Divided by 2, so it becomes 21 centimeter. Okay, R. Now thickness. Thickness is your 2 centimeter and inside radius. That's why I say that inside radius will be how much? R. 21 minus 2 is equal to how much? 19 centimeter. 19 centimeter. Okay, this is a small r. Also, the length is given as 152 centimeter. 152 centimeter, right? So I will say the volume of iron is equal to volume of the outer cylinder minus inner cylinder. Volume of outer minus volume of inner cylinder. So it becomes how much? V is equal to pi times of r square minus small r square into h is equal to, I will put all the values, right? So it becomes pi, capital R is your 19 square, 21, sorry, 21 square minus 19 square, and h will be what? H will be what? Tell me. 152, because the length is given. So it becomes how much? Pi, yani 22 upon 7 into 144 minus 361 into 152, right? So it becomes 22 by 7 into, this one is 80 into 152. Okay. Okay. So approximately I will get 24 2 and 73 1.5 centimeter cube. Okay. This will be my answer. They are saying a square sheet of paper is converted into a cylinder by rolling it along its side. Along its side, what is the ratio of the base radius to the side of the square? Base radius. Okay, they are saying that. Now see, suppose I have, this is a my square sheet. Okay, this is my square sheet and I just roll it. ना, I just roll it. So folding होती है ना चार्ट पेपर की, हम लोग चार्ट पेपर फोल्ड करते हैं ना, folding of chart paper, folding of chart paper, just like this. Okay, so जब फोल्ड किया तो ये पूरी की पूरी उसकी क्या हो गई? सर्कमफेरेंस हो गई. इंटायर लेंथ जो हुआ वो चेंज होके क्या हो गया? सर्कमफेरेंस हो गया. ओके, सो इफ rolling along the side, what is the ratio of the base to the side of the square? Now suppose I am saying that square have all sides equal, so I am just naming it at S, and your circumference equal to 2 pi r, and this is equal to S. Okay, so they are asking about the ratio r to S. So r by S will be what? 1 upon 2 pi. Okay, r by S is equal to 1 upon 2 pi. Question number 88. You understood, Meher?